Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This comes in a white exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, 4MATIC, Mercedes-Benz and GLA 250 badging, power opening and closing trunk, rear seats, heated and ventilated seats, driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel, mileage on this vehicle is 1,987, and we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz radio, backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. If you'd like to see any more photos, get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website at feldmanimports.com.